Experience luxury. Experience beauty. Experience the Mother's Car Spa and Bathhouse, a therapeutic getaway for your hard-working whip.
Now that's a clean tailpipe.
Let our automotive therapists give your car the full V.I.V experience. Pick from a range of options like the Back to Black trim and tire Mani-Pedi to keep your car looking sharp. Back to Black trim and plastic restore brings the sheen back to the sun-damaged plastic on your V.I.V's exterior and prevents future damage. Give your car's feet a treat with Back to Black satin tire dressing for a deep, natural finish. Or try the Back to Black high gloss tire shine. Now that's high gloss.
I brought my prize pony car there for this here car season, and honestly, it's completely show ready. That's not a car wash. That's more like a car spa, if you ask me.
Yeah, that's why it's literally called a car spa. You care for your hands and feet, so why not care for your car's hands and feet? The trim and tires. Treat your vehicle right and give it that mother's love. Mother's Polish. It's a spa for your car. Click the link below to learn more.